Hello emails. A. Game and web developer.
You already know from the title, so let's just go to the point.
First of all, make sure your ladder has the platform behavior.
Also, the type has to be ladder.
Then go to your events and do this code.
You can either use the platform or top-down simulate action.
Now, time to test it.
Okay, that's enough demonstration.
Just to summarize the entire thing,
Just do this code.
suo_iruck is the player and the sound is optional.
To play a sound, just use this action and put in your file.
You can make your own music or just get one online.
Some places to get music online that I recommend are
Pixabay, Kozik, Itch, Indie Game, Cloud, and more.
just remember to credit the creator and site if you do actually publish your game.
Okay, that is all. Hope this helped.